Morning, Dean here, A&D Adventures on Timber Mountain. As you can see, a little bright at times, but the log cabin, log home is coming along. You'll notice we bought our stove, wood stove, hooked it up, temporary. The hole in the wall which the stovepipe come out is actually going to be a window from either probably be a 6-foot window to give a little light in the garage. The planks up here are just temporary planks, nothing sanded, but we're doing good. We got we had to put in temporary heat for our water, which is there. PEX heating is not working right now. I still have to build the outdoor wood boiler. Meanwhile, we're using these little propane heaters. This alone is very good, actually. We're running it off 100 pounds and 33 pounds, depending. Like at night, I'll hook the 100-pounder up because you know we're not gonna have a lack of gas. What I'm doing today, this is our electrical panel, which is just covered because I'm cutting. What we're doing today is 3 of the doors. This is the one going into the mudroom. Is boarded up, and there is actually no door, but I've got to enclose this area, so I'm working on the door. We have a second door, which is the secondary entry to the garage, which goes to the mudroom, and then we have the garage door. So we were going to buy a garage door, probably with opener and everything like that, and we decided, why buy the door? I can make barn style doors. I don't know if you've seen my pictures before. I should post a picture of the barnage door. Very nice style. So this is a 12-foot door by 8 foot high. So we're gonna attempt to make that. Same with these doors here. We'll be making these doors. I have all the wood in the world here, so I could make it out of ash. I could make it out of cedar if I want. I could make it out of oak. I got lots of oak. But for now, I'm gonna make, sorry, I'm not gonna make. I'm going to use these doors right here. These were given to us. Thank you, Irene and Bruce. We're going to use these doors temporary just to close this up. What you're seeing here is I started my cut. That's why there's that vertical for ends there, to make sure my cuts are nice and straight. We're going to use the little saw here, the 201 from Still, and then I'm going to use the bigger saw, which is, where is it? It's here somewhere. The bigger saw to cut, because the little saw will only go 12 inches. My beams are, some of them are 20 inches wide. So if you look at it here, and this is where I'm going today. We're going to cut this hole out, and then we're going to install a temporary door. Thank you. While cutting is coming along pretty good. That's nice and straight, perfect. So now what they do, when I say they, any contractors or wood builders or anything like that, is the walls are very solid. I've got at least 12 inches from one side to the other that it lays on. But just in case, what they do is they make a relief cut and they install a 2x4 all the way down. So what happens is it stops the wall from deviating or curving or anything like that. So what they do a relief cut here, and then they slide a 2x4 in like that. So I'm in the process right now. I'm going to be doing that. making my relief cut, going in and breaking with my my super tool, which is, where is it? Hold on. Sorry about the movement. So I made this tool when I started doing the bark, and it's helping me everywhere in this build. From, I can lift a 20-inch beam, 20 feet long. I can move this with this bar alone, believe it or not. So it's a handy prying tool, it's a handy scraper, it's a handy, you name it. I invented it, or I made it for peeling the bark off the logs. There you see where this is where the kitchen and the mudroom is going to be. So yes, I made this to debark, and I've used it many more times, or for many more options. Anyway, so this is where I'm at. One thing I forgot to mention this morning when I woke up, it was minus 16. It is now minus 14. Hey, it went up 2 degrees. So in here, nice. Out there, not so nice. I'm probably about 10 degrees in the garage area, plus 10. So makes it kind of nice to work into. Anyway, I'm going to continue. Just wanted to say my multi-tool here is...
Hi, I'm Ann, and these are the doors that Dean installed. He did a very good job. That's the interior view, and there is the exterior view of the door. He also cut the the hole for the fireplace, and it was very dusty, so you see he had dust in his eyes there. There is the fireplace once it was installed. We also pulled out logs this week to peel, and there is the view of our house. Thank you for watching.